Itinanghal na ang kauna-unahang Mr. Cutie Grand Winner ng Eat Bulaga sa TV5 nila Tito Vic and Joy nitong Sabado ng tanghali, January 20. Napagwagian ni Lance Aceron ang titulong Mr. Cutie, panoorin ang kanyang naging performance at ang kanyang winning moment.
Lovercats! Ganda ba kayo? Kasi kayo na ata yung paborito kong pyesa. Uploading.
Our Mr. Cutie Grand Finalist!
At wala simula pa lang yan dahil marami pa silang i-flex mamaya. Kaya don't go away, we'll be right back here on
Eat Bulaga!
Sa talagang nag-abang, nag-abang ng Grand Finals ng Mr. Cutie, hindi pwedeng mawala si Lola Belen!
Nagulat kayo ano? Ako lang to, si Lola Belen. And I am just as excited as you are para sa Grand Finals ng Mr. Cutie. Pinaghandaan ko talaga to.
Sobrang maganda yung outfit mo, Lola.
How much I like to, but I watch her eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than the blue sky. She's got children's words, will I die?
Maraming salamat! Congratulations, our grand winner, Lance Aceron.